Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another little moment from our life in our new home. Our morning usually begins with this sweet little face. There is something so peaceful about starting the day slowly, especially in our new home. We are almost completely settled now. After she wakes up, I carry her into the living room. And then I open the curtains to let in the beautiful morning light. While my baby stays close to me, I begin with a few simple household tasks. Then, I drink some water before starting breakfast. I always try to drink water first thing in the morning, although some days I completely forget. First, I put away all the clean, dry dishes from the night before and tidy up the kitchen. Now it's time to prepare breakfast for my little one. Today, I'm making her a simple breakfast and serving it with some fresh fruit. Breakfast time with a baby can sometimes get a little messy, but seeing her enjoy her food makes it all worthwhile. She especially loved the fruit today and looked so happy while eating it. After she finishes eating, it's time to clean everything again. I wipe down her feeding area, clear the dishes, and tidy up the kitchen. Once everything is clean, we can finally sit down and relax together. These mornings may seem simple, but they are some of the most precious moments of my life, lifestyle, and new home memories. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful morning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more motherhood. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.